Is that the new cheese?
Hi, welcome to our channel.
Oh, you need the new.
Strong in retirement.
No, you need the new oil.
What you're going to see here is pizza number 3. The early days when we first got our Ooni Koda 16 outdoor pizza oven. We were really on the front
Best
end
oil
of the learning curve, and learning things like the right
But you still got oil in
temperature
that
of
one,
the
I
oven, right type
You
of
can
crust, how do you rotate the pizza in the oven. So watch along. Thanks.
Already been kind of cooked, and then here's some that are raw.
Oh, you're doing a little experiment? Mm-hmm. Okay.
The early days for us was all about experimentation when we first received the Ooni Koda 16 outdoor pizza oven. It's really what you got to do. You got to find the right methods that work for you.
Oh, pepperoni this time. Good deal.
Fortunately, there's a lot of YouTube videos. Also, some great Facebook pages with information.
Okay. Okay,
Is
that's
it
good. You want to open the door? Okay. All right. I sure hope. Can I launch it? No, why don't you come out while I launch? Pizza number 3.
And launching was always the fun part.
Okay, bring the oil out.
In the early days, we never knew if it was going to stick to the
Pizza
peel.
number 3. About to be launched.
And a lot of
All right, we got a drizzle.
discussion
a
on whether to
little
put the
of,
olive oil on
Italy's
before
best
EVOO.
or after.
extra virgin olive oil. Okay, so I think what we said the game plan is more towards the front.
Yeah, more towards the front.
Okay, so here we go.
Launching number 1.
All right.
No, 3. Launching number
This
3.
is pizza number 3 has been launched.
Okay, that's what you want. It's good
Okay,
step
we got a
one.
timer. Anyone counting?
A successful launch.
And I got the hamburger thing there. In case we got a.
In the early days, we used a hamburger turner
Definitely the top is cooking. Huh?
to turn the pizza. Now we have the finally the
Starting to see a little leopard on the leopard spotting on the.
Okay, it says maybe we should turn it, huh?
Turn it. Okay, so if you just lift that up just a little bit.
Oh, no, maybe it's not.
Yeah. So we're not too burned there yet.
now we have the Ooni pizza turning peel.
Oh, there you go. Yeah. Okay, good deal. That's
But
the way to do it. Yeah, until we get
that
our pizza turner. Oh, really nice.
Sur La Table hamburger
Good
turner
idea.
got the job done for us in the early
Good
days.
idea.
Then I go get the pizza pan.
Well, we could put it on the peel, and then we could transfer it to the pan. Whatever you would like to do. But I think you should turn it again. Yeah, you're good idea.
And what you see us doing here is working out
Oh,
the
yeah.
process. I think
It's
we've got
looking good.
24 or 25 pizzas in that oven now.
Hopefully they'll. What do they call a pizza turner, or what do they call those things?
So we got a
No, well,
We got a
there's
pretty
the
good
peel,
process.
and
Oh,
then
the
there's
turning peel.
the turning peel. Yeah, well, hopefully they get one of those. A little more around.
Boy, it's hot. Even
Yeah.
on low heat.
Yeah, it's
Pretty
very hot. The mushrooms are kind of burning.
No pepperoni.
Oh, that's pepperoni. Oh, okay. And there we have pizza number 3. All right, you want to open the door? And hopefully I can get this in the house without.
So for our third pizza, it turned out pretty good. Everything we've made has been tasty.
That tells me that I shouldn't drink the pepperoni.
Yeah, that's probably true.
But I think that, what happened to the,
All right,
what happened to
and
the,
there we have it. Okay, so when you cut, we're looking for crispness, huh?
Well, I like it crispy, but
I think the key takeaway from the early days is
Yeah, that's not.
you're
real
on a
crisp.
learning curve. Stick with it, and you'll learn the right way to
Probably
do
the dough,
things.
we still gotta.
You'll get the right tools to get the job done.
well, we have to just see if
But
if it's,
we've just been having a blast with our Ooni Koda 16 outdoor
Okay,
pizza oven.
well, I think we let it cool down now.
Thanks for checking out
and
this video, and
we'll
thanks
taste
for
it.
checking out our channel, Strong in
Unless you want to lift
Retirement.
up a piece. But I think let's see what the bottom crust
Till
looks
next
like.
time.
Sure.
Oh, I think it's better cooked.
Yeah, it looks good. Okay.